Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my Ipsy Glam Bag. Now normally I've also been getting a Glam Bag Plus, but this month they started doing the Glam Bag Ultimate X, which is going to actually be a collection of products from a celebrity makeup artist. And this time around, it's with Patrick Ta. So, of course, when I saw that, I immediately signed up. Now, I originally had planned on doing both in today's video, but my Ultimate X package has not arrived yet. As far as I know, it is on its way and it is delayed. So I'm not sure when I'm going to get it. That is why I'm going to just go ahead and do my Glam Bag unboxing now. And then as soon as I get my ultimate package, I will come on here and do another unboxing video for you guys. Now, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription where each month you'll receive a bag of products based on what your preferences are, which you do let them know by taking a short quiz and by reviewing the products that you get each month. You can choose between 2 monthly subscriptions. The Glam Bag, which is the one I will be unboxing today, is a 12-month subscription, and you'll receive at least $50 worth of 5 deluxe samples with having the choice of one of the items. The Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month subscription, and it gives you at least $120 worth of 5 full-size products. And you'll also have the opportunity to choose 3 of your items. What I love is that for whatever reason, if you want to skip a month or two, you can easily do so through your Ipsy account rather than going through that whole process of canceling your account and then having to resubscribe when you want it back. On top of that, you get the opportunity to save on a variety of makeup, skincare, and other beauty products, full-size and deluxe samples through their add-on program each month. Now, if you're interested in getting your own Ipsy Glam Bag subscription each month, or if you would like to learn more about Ipsy, I will have my referral link in the description box down below for you. Now, without further ado, let's see what I got in my Glam Bag this month. So, I don't know about you, but I am really looking forward to opening up this Ipsy Glam Bag. If you guys saw my last video where I unboxed my BoxyCharm box from this month, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. It was not good. I'm going to give my Ipsy Glam Bag a fresh start because, to be honest, this is not giving me any issues. It has arrived as usual, and let's just have our fingers crossed. It's a good one. Sealed with a kiss. I am really liking this bag. Oh my god, it is so cute. Oh my god, that is absolutely adorable. Got a snap. Just going to take the card out. So each month in your Glam Bag, you'll receive a card with that month's theme. And then when you open it up, it gives you a list of all your products, a little description of them, and it also gives you beauty tips. Now, before I pull out my first product, I'm going to tell you this right now. This right here is already getting me in a very excited mood. I am super excited about this little bag right here. Okay, so the first product I already know I love because I already own this. So it is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in shade 4.5, which is my shade. Whether your brows are sparse, bold, or just need a little definition, this volumizing brow gel will make them look perfect in a flash. The tapered brush provides mess-free application and makes tinting and taming super easy. Plus, the water-resistant formula won't smudge or fade. So the full-size version of this product is retailed at $24. I am debating now because I'm probably going to be doing a giveaway soon, and I'm wondering if maybe I should just put this in my giveaway, only because I already have a full-size version of it. But I am happy that I am getting a product that I love. Next item is, it looks like it's a Glam Glow product. Yep, it is Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. Like a shot of espresso for your under eyes, this anti-fatigue eye cream is the fastest way to wake up your complexion. It's infused with illuminating pigments and energizing caffeine to minimize shadows on contact, plus a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump fine lines. Ooh, this sounds very interesting. And the tip that comes with it is pretty interesting. I'm going to have to try it out. I am really liking this. Next one is from Naked Cosmetics Lip Scrub. Ooh, vanilla cream. I'm not a vanilla person. I was going to see if it had a scent, because I don't really like vanilla scent. But since it's sealed, I'm going to leave it sealed, because I'm just going to give this away. As I said, I don't like the vanilla scent, but I am interested in the product. Let's see. It says, the only thing better than how soft and smooth this scrub gets your lips. This irresistible vanilla flavor that makes it a delight to use. This nourishing scrub is packed with moisturizing oils and vitamin E that keeps your lips hydrated and protected no matter how chilly the temps get. The full-size version of this is retailed at $11.99. This will actually be a great product to put in my giveaway. I'll see if any of my friends or family wants it. If not, that's where it'll be going. I will have to say, though I am giving 2 products away so far, I'm on a better track than my BoxyCharm box. So, here we go, Ipsy. Don't fail me now. Next is Pure Brazilian Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. I believe I chose this. So, from flyaways to split ends, cold, dry weather can make your hair harder to manage. And if you're dealing with damage from heat, styling, or dyes, this keratin-infused leave-in is for you. Use it to help rebuild broken bonds in your hair shaft for stronger, shinier, smoother, and all-around healthier hair. The full-size version of this is $26. Spray is really light. I love that. My hair is just so dry from the just freezing cold winter and being inside with dry heat everywhere. So I will be interested to see if this will help. Last but not least is, oh no, not a liner. Hopefully this one will be better. It's Araceli Beauty Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner Night Noche. So this sounds like it's from a Spanish brand. That looks interesting. This is what it looks like full. And watch. Look at that tip. Look at it. Ooh. Doesn't that just scream wing eyeliner? I can't wait to try it out. Create endless eye looks with this jet black liquid liner. It has a precise felt tip that glides onto the lid smoothly. No tugging. Plus, the smudge-proof formula lasts for hours without touch-ups. I am so going to be trying this out. I am going to be doing a new makeup get ready with me, I believe next week. And this will be getting added right into that video, because I don't think I have an eyeliner to try out. Well, that is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag. And I'll have to say, this is a hell of a lot better than my BoxyCharm box. And these are deluxe samples. I know the last few months I have been hemming and hawing about keeping both subscriptions. And I have made the final decision. I am going to just keep my Ipsy Glam Bag subscription, and then I'm only going to add on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription on the months where the Ultimate is around, because that's the one I'm interested in. I don't need any more full-size products if I'm going to continue with my BoxyCharm subscription. If not, then I'm probably going to try and see if there's another monthly subscription I could check out. If there are other beauty subscriptions out there that you enjoy or you would like me to do a review on, please let me know in the comments down below. I am open to checking out other ones. So, my Ipsy Glam Bag, I will have to say, is a big thumbs up. I really enjoyed it. Now it's your turn. What do you think of my Ipsy Glam Bag? Did you get a glam bag this month? If so, did you enjoy it? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. It helps me with the algorithm, and it also lets me know that you guys like more videos like this. Now, if you do want to see what I get in my Glam Bag Ultimate X, or you would like to join me here on my channel, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. That way you are notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember to be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.